Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for GRE in 1 month. First, begin by taking a full-length diagnostic test to understand your current standing and pinpoint areas needing the most attention. This initial assessment is crucial for creating an effective study plan. Next, gather all your necessary study materials, including official GRE guides and reliable practice tests. Having these resources ready will streamline your preparation process and ensure you're using the best tools available. For verbal reasoning, dedicate time daily to expanding your vocabulary. Use flashcards and try to understand words in context, which is more effective than rote memorization. Practice reading comprehension by engaging with diverse and challenging academic texts. This will improve your ability to quickly grasp main ideas and detailed information. Also, spend significant time on text completion and sentence equivalence questions, as these often require a strong vocabulary and logical reasoning skills. When tackling quantitative reasoning, start by reviewing all fundamental math concepts, from basic arithmetic to algebra and geometry. Ensure you have a solid grasp of these building blocks. Practice a wide range of problem-solving strategies for different question types, understanding how to approach each one efficiently. Crucially, incorporate timed practice sets into your routine. This will significantly improve both your speed and accuracy under exam conditions, helping you manage your time effectively. In your final week, take several full-length practice tests, simulating actual exam conditions as closely as possible. This helps build stamina and reduces test day anxiety. Thoroughly review all your incorrect answers, understanding why you made mistakes and how to avoid them next time. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, finalize all your exam day logistics, including your route to the test center and all necessary identification. A calm and prepared mindset is key to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.